Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. And it was somebody's birthday today.
You know what that means. So now we're gonna unbox some of them, and we're going with this one, the main one. And I used to have a smaller one of these, which was from Amazon, and I really wanted a bigger one, so I got one for my birthday.
And this is a Fire HD10 by Amazon. And it is a very nice tablet.
Let's
Here it is.
And there's some more stuff that comes with it, like open this if I know how to do it. Oh, never mind, that's how you do it.
And this is USB-C too, so it's much nicer for little kids like him. So instead of micro USB, so that they don't accidentally break it.
Yes, which I sort of broke a phone once with breaking its charger thingy.
So here is an instruction thing, charging brick, charging cable, and
yeah, the instructions I really didn't read.
another thing, and that looks like
blah blah blah.
everything.
So next up we have Hot Wheels ID, which was really cool.
Which is a BMW i8 Roadster.
Yep. And here it is, the actual thing right here. And let's bring it out if I would.
Okay, there you go.
Wow, that thing looks cool.
And of course, in case you didn't know, this is a Hot Wheels ID, not just any regular Hot Wheel, and it has a special chip on the inside of it. And you can play a racing game on a device.
Like a. You can also get like a really big track with it, will make it actually drive. So next up is something really cool. Hot Wheels. And this one isn't just an ordinary one. Centenario. One of my actually favorite cars. Love Lamborghinis.
And he's been wanting it for over like 2 years, but we haven't found it at all.
We did actually find the same one like this. Just now with these cars. This one's a Lotus, Bone Shaker. There's also
Corvette, Chevy Camaro, and a Volkswagen.
Yes.
And this is a Hot Wheels 9-pack.
9-pack, 9 cars.
And the Centenario is the main car that we're looking for here.
You can also see logos of all our cars and all our games on the back. My color inside Audi, Lamborghini, and this one. And this one's actually a really cool one. It's pretty cool because it comes with Steve, a zombie, a baby zombie, and a bat. And also TNT, which actually you can make that fall down, which is amazing. And we also might put this on our island. Suggestion.
And this is a Minecraft Lego set, in case you didn't know, because he didn't say that at all.
Yes, I did not, sorry. So next up is another Lego, but Star Wars.
And this is Kylo Ren's shuttle from episode 9. And it's a Microfighters one, and it's just really cool because it comes with the episode 9 Kylo Ren and his lightsaber and his mini ship.
And the cracks and like the thing and everything else. Okay, next up are these two.
And this here is Nissan GTR. I'm not going to go in further thing because it has a really long name right here, 2020 Fan Edition thing. And this here is a GMC Cyclone.
Yep. We're going to open only one, which is this one. I know how to open these. Here. Guys, let me do that. Right elbow here.
And here it is. And this is a GMC Cyclone. And it's like one of those old trucks.
And of course, Hot Wheels didn't put the light showing. Not right there. And that's just backpack.
Sorry, Hot Wheels, if you're seeing this.
Yes, super sorry, but more details. So, next up is this.
And this.
Yes.
So right there we have these two remote control cars, this Lamborghini Veneno and that BMW X6 police car.
Maybe in the roads, this Lamborghini was racing.
And then this here is the game Operation, which you've probably heard of before, and it's a really fun family game.
Yes.
And over here, as you can see, this is what happens if you lose. It goes like that.
Not the sides.
And this, these are the last two. So that was all of his birthday presents. And make sure to
like and subscribe.
Hit the bell icon so you never miss one of our amazing videos.
Especially like one of these ones.
And bye!